Here's a detailed explanation about Doxium, calcium, dobesilate, and its role in treating hemorrhoids for your YouTube audience. Introduction to Doxium. Hello viewers, thank you for watching my channel. Today we'll talk about Doxium dobesilate, a medication widely used in managing vascular disorders like hemorrhoids. Stay tuned as we explore how this medication works and how it can help people suffering from this condition. What is Doxium? Generic name, calcium dobesilate. Purpose, Doxium is primarily used to regulate capillary functions. It helps strengthen blood vessels and reduces excessive permeability. Dosage, commonly prescribed in a 500 milligrams capsule, as seen in this packaging. What are hemorrhoids? Hemorrhoids are swollen veins located around the anus or in the lower rectum. They can cause symptoms like 1. Pain, 2. Swelling, 3. Itching, 4. Rectal bleeding during bowel movements. Visual description. Please imagine these for your visuals. Cross-section diagrams of swollen veins around the rectum. Illustrations showing internal versus external hemorrhoids. And Nashar, how does Doxium help with hemorrhoids? Doxium works by improving microcirculation and strengthening the walls of blood vessels. Here's how it helps. 1. Reduces swelling and inflammation. By improving blood flow, it alleviates the congestion of veins causing hemorrhoids. 2. Prevents bleeding. Strengthening capillaries minimizes rectal bleeding. 3. Promotes healing. Enhanced blood circulation helps heal damaged tissues. Mechanism of action. Doxium decreases capillary permeability and improves venous tone, reducing the leakage of fluids into surrounding tissues and preventing further swelling. Who can use Doxium? Hemorrhoids, acute or chronic cases. Other vascular conditions, varicose veins, diabetic retinopathy, or chronic venous insufficiency. Precautions. Consult your doctor if pregnant, breastfeeding, or if you have allergies. Lifestyle tips. Alongside Doxium. While taking Doxium, follow these tips for better results. Increase fiber. Eat fruits, vegetables, and whole grains to prevent constipation. Hydrate. Drink plenty of water to ease bowel movements. Exercise. Engage in light physical activities like walking to improve circulation. Hygiene. Keep the affected area clean to avoid infections. Visual elements for your video. 1. Hemorrhoid anatomy. Include medical diagrams showing veins in the rectum. 2. Before and after treatment. Visualize how hemorrhoids shrink with treatment. 3. Doxium action. Use animations to show how capillaries are strengthened and circulation improves. 4. Lifestyle advice. Illustrate a balanced plate with fiber-rich foods and water. Conclusion. Thank you for watching. Remember, Doxium is a scientifically proven medication that helps manage hemorrhoid symptoms by strengthening blood vessels and improving circulation. However, always consult your doctor before starting any new medication. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health-related insights. See you in the next video. Would you like me to design an infographic or slides for your video? Here's the infographic for your video featuring Doxium and its role in managing hemorrhoids. It includes visuals of symptoms, how Doxium works, and lifestyle tips. You can use this to make your video more engaging and informative for your audience. Here's the infographic for your video featuring Doxium and its role in managing hemorrhoids. It includes visuals of symptoms, how Doxium works, and lifestyle tips. You can use this to make your video more engaging and informative for your audience.